Alright, hello and welcome everyone. My name's Kenny, and today we got this here Sapphire HD. What is that thing? 4870. Ooh, old school video card. And we got some thermal paste, some tools, some thermal pads, and we're going to dismantle this bad boy, and we're going to repaste it, reassemble it, re-thermal pad it, and I'm just going to take you along for the ride. We're going to see if we can restore this thing and make it run okay again. Alright. So this thing is pretty old. You can see here we got some like rust and whatnot, so maybe we'll have to address that too. But we're going to take this bad boy apart. I should have got some more. I should have got my magnet thing, but so we got a lot of different, a lot of screws here to disassemble. This looks like it's a pretty straightforward card teardown, but I mean, it still ran. It just ran really hot. I don't know if there's anything I can really do about this rust here. As far as I could probably try some alcohol on it. But yeah, I guess I'll have to try and see if there's a way to address that. Alright, need a smaller Phillips driver. Okay, I wonder if those are just spring tensioned in there. Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah, they come out. Okay. So there is a spring underneath that. Oh, there's a lot of tension on that thing. This thing really holds that cooler down, apparently. Alright. Cool, alright. Oh. Yeah, baby. So, we got some thermal pads here. We got a lot of dust built up into this pig. Kind of see what we got going on there. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Dirty. Alright. How long has it been since you've seen a naked 4870? Let's expose the die. Alright, y'all. We got a little bit of a vinegar water crap here. Let's see if this can do anything for this crap. See if that helps at all. Well, to me that doesn't look like it's really doing anything at all. Dang it. I hate those safety caps. They're so annoying. Why are they so difficult to get off? For me, an adult. Whoopsies. Fuck. God damn it. Yeah, I don't know if that's really helping a whole lot, so. Jeez, I'm making a huge mess everywhere. Yeah, that is some dry thermal paste, dude. Crusty. So yeah, this is, what do these video cards come out like? 2006, 7, something like that, if I remember. I don't remember. You'll have to correct me in the comments below. But yeah, these are not young video cards. They're very old. Very old. There you go. How's that die shot, huh? Neat, huh? Old school. Set you aside, I guess. Out with the old crap. So old, so gross, so dated. Damn. Get some more of that thermal paste off of this cooler. Look at how crusty that is. It just like turns to, kind of just turn into dust here. Look at those dust bunnies. Ew. I might actually include this in my garage computer, and in the future here, just throw a water block on it and see what happens. Probably just, I wonder if I can, how do I take this apart? Get all this old crap off of here. Damn. So you could probably almost throw a water block inside here and then still use, you know, the basis for the rest, which would be kind of cool, I think. I might have to try that. But we'll come back to that once we get this thing all torn down. Take the fan shroud off. Last time I used this, it worked just fine. It just ran way too hot, so it couldn't really do anything. So that's why I decided to do this little graphics card rescue. A lot of little tiny screws here. Cool. Very neat. Let's get a new paper towel. That's all dried up. Let's get some of this. Since I spilled all that everywhere. Just kind of, you know, cleaning off some of the dust and crap on here. We can pull this cooler out. Look at that. Kind of neat. All right, and we're back again. Do a little bit more alcohols on here. Just kind of dust out the shroud. That looks good. You can pull out this fan even. I could rinse that fan off. If you're curious, all I did was I ran the this what do they call that? The vapor chamber. If that's even what that thing does or is on this card, I don't know. I just ran it in there hot water. Be just fine. Nice and dry. Cool. Look at this mess though. Ick. So that just sits in there. And then this sits pretty much right here. And this would go like this. Whoops. Gosh, that's so embarrassing. Build this thing backwards would be great, huh? Okay, so that cord goes all the way, wraps around. We need to have it angled like this. Like that. So that lines up there. Okay. Something like this. Alright. Now we reassemble it. You'll have to let me know in the comments below if there is a better way to remove that rust from all this stuff. In the back of that GPU. Screw this fan back in. Apparently that mounts right to this back plate. This base plate, rather. Peel that off. We can lay that down right there. Attach that. Peel. Need one more of these thin boys. Peel the back off, discard the trash, and then nice bit of adhesion. There we go. Oh, weird. That really stretched it out. Interesting. But I think this is like the really thin one, though. That's probably why. Dang it, I probably grabbed the wrong size. Oh well, I think we'll be okay. Oh boy. And then, oops. Okay, this is a mess already. Good God. Kids, don't do what I do at home. Do this, and then we're going to take my knife. Because I think that piece is extra stitchy. And I don't really have anything left of that. We'll just kind of double it up. Why not? I think that'll be okay. It'll squish and make nice contact. So let's find... Let's see if we can pry this up this time. There. Much nicer, much stickier, much happier. Okay. So now that we got all that done and cleaned up, we can go ahead and reattach this big dog. Okay. Found its holes. Everything's kind of lined up here. Let's attach this. And I guess the rust looks a little bit nicer. Not really, but a little bit. We're going to go corner to corner. Sorry, this is probably not the most excellent camera angle. Alright, so I think that's pretty good. Yeah, that looks nice. Nice and adhered. I'm going to make sure that the cooler part, bottom half, lines up. Switch out our screwdriver. Oh, I forgot to install the fan, but I think I can install that after the fact, so I think we're okay. Just kind of, lightly torquing these ones, very finger tight. Okay. And voila. Oh yeah. Plugs a fan in. He should pretty much only be able to go in one way. Alright. Alright, 4870. Reassembled. Pretty. Nice and tight on there. Should be good to go. Next thing to do is plug this bad boy in and see if it runs. Alright guys, believe it or not, it's installed in this kind of test rig I have here. 2 6-pin PCI connectors. Fan is kind of doing some weird stuff. The PC is doing some weird stuff. It is updating currently, but it's in. The fan is still working, and it's quiet right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Drivers are going to be a problem for this card, and I found some, but I don't know if I can really do much for it. And maybe I really didn't do much beneficialness for this card in general. As you can see, according to GPU-Z, my GPU temp is a whopping 70 degrees Celsius at idle. Yeah, maybe I screwed something up. So I might have to revisit this, but I mean, it works. I just think this card is probably too old to actually do anything anymore. The drivers I found for it were from 2013. So maybe this little guy is a little past its prime. I'm not sure. Or maybe that rust is really hampering its abilities to do anything. Yeah, I guess. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything you guys can suggest or think of that I can do to maybe remedy that situation. But otherwise, yeah, I guess there you go. I tore down this card. It is working, just not very well. We might tinker around with it some more and see if we can get this thing to do anything. But otherwise, thanks for watching, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and leave a comment below, obviously, if you have any tips, tricks, or something else you want to see done with this thing, or any other ideas. Otherwise, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next video.